So yesterday I started playing around with this ChatGPT code that I got from Sendex, and what he's done is he's created this game kind of interface with ChatGPT3, and this interface uh, fine. So I played around with it. I'm not really interested in doing the game bit right now. I'm more interested in the image APIs of ChatGPT and ChatGPT 4. Uh, I my interest is more on the image side than on the NLP side, and text to image and things to that effect is what I'm trying to explore right now. So what exactly is this? So it says ChatGPT3 image variation API. So that's the same Flask app that I've been using since yesterday. The same code, nothing much has been changed over here. Uh, what I've done is I've gone ahead and created three URLs over here. Very simple. That Jinja template, embedding the URLs of the images. So in place of just one image which was showing up yesterday on this page, we got three images which you can see consecutively at the same time. Why is this being done? Because what I'm trying is I first tried the masking part of the code. So this is where they have it, variation masking. But I really couldn't figure out, so I'll have to figure out how this is being done. So I have a mask image, and but this didn't work out very well for me, so it doesn't matter. So I'm trying out variation, and within variation, so this was the earlier code for masking, but I've commented that out. And within this, I've taken one image that is taj2.png. So where exactly is that image? If I can show you, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It's just an image of the Taj that I've taken, and PNG image. I had to crop it and all to make it, a certain squarish size. Length and width had to be the same. Uh, and now what I've done is I want to generate three images. So images which will be generated will be, the count will be three. A size of all those images will be the same. I'm not sure if we can vary this, but probably there is a way of doing it. And then I'm just getting the URLs from those images. I'm putting those URLs in a list, and that's about it. So that is the only thing that I have done. And with this, then I'm reading out those URLs as string out of that list, and I'm giving them to different values here for the rendered template, and that goes here and that goes to the template. uh, so just to have a look, if you can now make out, this is one image, this generated image, this is not the original image. I should probably end up showing the original also, so we can make out what is the difference. But this is generated 1, generated 2, and generated 3. So there are subtle differences. If you look at the shadow itself in the water, there is a difference. If you look at the trees that are aligned, not much of a difference. If you look at the pink stone on the pathway, yes, there is a difference. If you look at the central tomb, I don't think so there is a difference, but in the door obviously there's a difference. In the central door there is a difference. Over here I think he's shown some people moving around, without even zooming you can make out the people are there. There are different colors, people. Even though size of people might not be correct over here, so there is some kind of, and then there are people on the rooftop over here on the right side and things like that. So it's created its own variation. So that is there. So definitely this API is doing a good job of this, and a complex, uh, complex image like the Taj Mahal, it is giving you good variation over here, and that's pretty much okay. Can be tested with other images. Okay, this is one thing. The second thing is this is ChatGPT. I've been trying out something with the DALI also, and I'm trying to do something with Midjourney. I found this. I don't know where exactly I found this, but stumbling around somewhere. Uh, so they are talking about how to go ahead and do prompt engineering for Midjourney. So this engineering seems to be quite a relevant thing, and there's a lot of there's lots been written, and there is, obviously, she's a very famous deep learning, uh, I think, professor. I am not very sure. I've read a couple of her blogs earlier also, and she's written quite a decent post about how to do the prompt engineering. Uh, so I've still not got into all of this. I could see there's some active learning mentioned over here. So entropy among multiple sampling trials and everything. So some of this I really need to get into. But even simple things like this, people are doing this for mid journey, and the point is very simple. If the AI algorithm is going to do the major part of the work, then you have to fine tune your input somehow or the other. That is the only way of showing some variation basis whatever you are doing and somebody else is doing. Otherwise, there will be no differentiation. And if there is no differentiation, then how will you ultimately, how will you ace this game, so to say? So yeah, that's what it is right now. Let's see what else is there.